Once a beautiful river, now an ocean of plastic.
We're going to empty the combi drain. We aim to pick up 3 to 5 tons of plastic from it.
Plastic bottles, household items, flip-flops. Every week, Edmond and his colleagues are collecting as much waste as they can. Act before it's too late, with one objective in mind: to restore the river to what it once was.
There can't be life here, there can't be fish here. There are too many plastic bottles at the surface of the water for light to penetrate. It makes life underneath possible. So first we want to save the environment.
Finding a viable business model in the recycling industry is a challenge in itself. Chris Mabalia, a Congolese IT consultant turned recycling entrepreneur, employs these plastic collectors.
Usually the bottles are that high, and it goes all along the drain.
His company, Name Recycling, turns plastic waste in plastic flakes. The flakes are then sold and used in the manufacturing of new industrial products.
We have roughly 450 people collecting plastic. We then buy it from them. We also want to make sure that our collectors can make a living from it.
20 kilometers away in Chris Mabalia factory. Every day he receives 1,000 tons of waste that are collected around the country.
There's zero waste, right?
Here starts the recycling process. The plastic is sorted, cleaned and shredded into flakes by these machines. The flakes are then packed in bags that will be shipped to Europe, where they will be given a second life in the brewing industry. Each year, an estimated 3,000 tons of plastic waste are recycled.
Our funding comes on one hand from subsidies issued by companies that are selling plastic in the marketplace, and on the other hand from the manufacturing and the sales of our finished products. We would like for everyone to get involved in tackling plastic pollution issues.
Recycling plastic can be lucrative. In Cameroon's economical capital, an increasing number of companies are turning towards the industry. As the price of building material increased due to global inflation, recycled plastic has become a cheaper alternative.
How's it going?
Claude Tekponu sells these blue roof tiles that are made from plastic waste. They are less expensive than those produced in Turkey or Italy.
Today you have concrete tiles that break. You have imported tiles from Italy that break, and then you have these. It's the most sustainable option. It'll last forever. It works exactly like tiles. You just have to follow the frame of the building, and then you have a roof.
The blue tiles are made in this factory. A heavy plastic polymer is combined with sand that has been heated up to 220 degrees Celsius. The mix is poured into a mold to obtain the roof tiles that could replace aluminum roofing sheets.
Tiles normally last for 30 years, but ours can last much longer. A lifetime. Ours provides good thermal insulation. Underneath our tile roofs, the indoor temperature is ideal. And it's soundproof, meaning that when it rains, you won't hear a thing.
Other industries are jumping on the bandwagon. One entrepreneur aims at lowering energy bills with fuel made from recycled plastic. Inside this warehouse, Walter Jatsa tests his latest creation. With this machine that he has built with his team, this 40-year-old CEO has been developing an alternative fuel that is less polluting. He only produces in small batches, but hopes that he could soon put it up in the market. His goal is to offer consumer cheaper fuel that has less of a negative impact on the environment.
Today we are saving up to 15% of our fuel cost. It's an eco-friendly fuel that would be around 350 francs CFA. Fuel at the pump is about 650 francs CFA. Soon we'll be able to start producing up to 10,000 litres a day, maybe more. And then we'll think about producing larger volumes.
Cameroon produces an average of 600,000 tons of plastic waste every year. And despite the growing number of recycling plants, only 20% of the waste produced in the country is recycled.